everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again I'm with another recipe. So this is chicken chili recipe. So I will tell you the easiest chicken chili recipe. So first you have to take boneless chicken and just wash it properly. Then you have to add spices. I have mentioned here, you can see. Then I will mix it and rest it for a while so the chicken get flavored or it get absorb all the spices in it. So I will side it and then I will take my vegetable and chop it in square pieces one by one. I am taking capsicum, onion, garlic, green onion leaves, green chili, ginger, that's it, and I am chopping it all. And then just take my rested chicken for the frying batch. As you can see, I'm done with my vegetables. So now I'll heat the oil and in a low to medium flame I'm just frying all the chicken pieces one by one till it get golden brown. तब तक मैं इसे पका लूँगी. Then I will just separate it. So मैं सारे बैचेस को ऐसे फ्राई करके निकाल लूँगी चिकन पीसेस को. As you can see it is turning in golden brown color. I'm separating it in a plate. Then I'm making a slurry. For that I'm taking vinegar and then soya sauce. After that I'm taking chili sauce, tomato sauce, and then after I'm adding cornflour to make the slurry thick, because cornflour makes the slurry thick. So as you can see slurry is ready. Now I am saute all my vegetables in the high flame because I don't want to make the vegetables soft, because वो crunchiness रहना चाहिए. Then after sorting my vegetables I add all the chicken pieces in it and just give a 2 to 3 minute short boil. Then I am garnishing with the green onion leaves and it's ready to serve. You can serve it with a naan or a paratha or with a plain roti. It will go with all. Now I am tasting it, and when I take the first bite I can't tell you, it is too flavorful, it is too yummy. When it goes on my mouth it just got melt on my mouth. So amazing. You should try it once and let me inform how do you like it or not. So let me finish.